Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Monday, the 6th of July. Let's get to our weather wisdom for today. We've got some heavy rain off toward the south of us this morning. That's beneficial. How far north it comes still remains to be seen. We are sponsored, by the way, by Hartney Graymont. Hartney Graymont for all your arbor care needs, with offices in Concord, Danvers, Needham, and on Cape Cod. Speaking of Cape Cod, that's where the heaviest rain is going to be. Southeastern Massachusetts down towards southern Rhode Island and Connecticut. That's where the flood watch is up for the next couple of days. Could be some flash flooding. Some of the models have some crazy numbers of rainfall inside that area, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches of rain in a relatively short amount of time. And even though we need the rain, that would create some flooding on the roadways. But it's also a very sharp cutoff to the north. Some models keep the rain south of the Mass Pike entirely, which would just be terrible because we need the rain, and some areas bring it up to the border, which would be great because we need the rain. Temperatures over the next couple of days staying around 70 degrees with the cloud cover and the wind off the water, which water temperatures have warmed up towards 70 degrees, so that's why it's just not going to be that cool, and it'll be a little bit muggy as well, but certainly not the heat we saw last week with the 200-degree days. And then as we head for the middle part of the week, we clear out on Wednesday, back to the low 80s. So your vacationers, today and tomorrow are kind of your indoor days, movies, shopping, relaxing, reading, things like that. And if you're more of an outdoor person, second half of the week is going to be better. Just have to wait and see kind of how far north the rainfall progresses. Take another look at it tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody.